Hello traders, this is Trader K from Trade Like Gann. This is an introductory video of a new course that we are going to launch on October 7th of 2024. So let's get into it. As you can see, this is a new course that we are offering on W.D. Gann's Law of Vibration. I see a lot of videos in YouTube and other communities regarding this topic, law of vibration. What is it and how does it work? People have their own opinions and they think the way it works, but it really doesn't, you see. So from Trade Like Gann, you know one thing that we focus on W.D. Gann's way of trading and forecasting the market. So we strictly focus on his methodologies. Okay, so this new course that is going to be offered from October 7th is a brand new thing that we are doing, and it's much more advanced than what we have been doing so far. So the first thing that I want to talk about is what is law of vibration. So the law of vibration is cycle, definitely, because W.D. Gann's every single thing that he ever did and taught in his entire lifetime is related to cycles. So the law of vibration is a method or a way of using cycles in the markets. Now the question is, what is a cycle that uses actually the law of vibration? As you can see, we have a page dedicated to this program. This program, we will cover two main cycles of the law of vibration section. The main cycle is the Robert Gordon 7 Days. If you have ever read the book called Tunnel Through the Air, looking back from 1940, written by W.D. Gann, you should know what I am referring to. Even if you have a rough idea about how this Robert Gordon 7 Days have a link with the book, you can relate to it in the market. Okay, so this is a very prominent and a unique cycle of its own league. So this cycle is a bigger market map that goes up and down, pivoting high and lows in the market. So in this course, you will learn Robert Gordon's 7 Days, the cycle itself, then how to anchor this, because this cycle is a little bit different than what previous cycles that I ever taught or talked about in the YouTube. Okay, so this requires advanced, or you can say the cycle theory, the time cycle theory 2.0. Okay, so that will be covered in this course, and it will have its own anchoring system, it will have its own inversion system. Okay, both of these two little important things of this cycle will be taught in this course. And then there is another cycle called 𝐻𝐞𝐵, or we use the initials as KK. This course will also cover the KK cycle, the anchoring system and also the inversion system. So if you have seen any of my videos of this YouTube channel, you should be very aware of these words, the anchoring, the inversion, how does these things work. So let's have a look at how these cycles look like in the market. Okay, if you can see this image that I have posted in the website, it shows some of the pivots of the Dow Jones Industrial Average from low to high to low to high, and it goes on and on, right? So this is how the cycle moves, and definitely this cycle is a bigger one. Okay, as you can see, all of these candles represent one single day. okay, in the market. And this cycle goes pretty big pivots, okay. This is also a cycle what actually covers unique sizes of pivots. By this what I mean, if you see this pivot is quite small relative to its bigger moves. Let's say this one is quite big, right? This starts from the top and goes all the way to the bottom, covering 1.5 months most likely. And this one does not last even maybe what, 20-25 days. So this is how this cycle works. Again, if we visit the website and this LOV mentorship page, you will see another photo of the KK cycle. Okay, so as you can see, this is relatively to RG7 a smaller size, a higher pivoting cycle that is a little bit more accurate. We did not messed with the pivots. That's why it looks a little bit off here, but this is how the cycles work. Okay, so the cycles does not get absolute high or absolute low of every single pivot. This is not how WD-Gann cycles work. If you think you can get all of these pivots high and low in your cycle, that means you are looking for something else, and that does not cover WD-Gann's teachings. So what you can see in front of you is WD-Gann's cycle. Okay, exactly the way he used, exactly the cycle that he taught to his friends and students. Okay, so in this course you will learn both of these cycles, their anchoring systems, their inversion system, and how to tackle the inversion systems. So now we need to see and take a look at different modules that we have under this one single course. The modules. So you can see there are a couple of modules, exactly 4 modules in this course. All of these are very, very important elements of this course. Okay, so this course will cover the time cycle theory, the LOV cycle, the Robert Gordon 7 days, and the KIT key. And then we drop to the second module, the trading parameter and executions. This is the reason behind this entire course, right? You want to trade, you want to make money from the market, right? So how do you develop a specific entry exit strategy, or how to identify the opportunities in the market? That will be covered in this course. You will learn how to do multi-time frame analysis in a different way that the mainstream media or YouTube does not cover. People do not see this strategy exactly the way WD-Gann use it. So we will be covering the multi-time frame analysis according to the way WD-Gann did it. Okay, and then the intricacies of cycle in the real market. Okay, how to enter in a low and exit around the high or exactly on the high. Okay, so and we have the third module, uh, the most important module in this entire course. I would say risk management is the king. Whatever you are doing in the market, risk management has to be very strict and precise. So you have to know what to do in what conditions, right? So that will be covered. It's not like that we will tell you what to do. It's more like we will introduce you to a way so that you can develop your own risk management rules. Then we will definitely talk about the forecast and the real-time trading. What is the difference between these two, and how to deal with a forecast while the market is printing new candles. Okay, and definitely you need to be watching and learning distinguishing between forecasting and execution. There is definitely a difference, expectation gap that we do not actually think before we get into the market. So as you can see already, this entire course is built on the law of vibration and executions. Okay, so you'll not be learning only in this course, you'll also be trading. Okay, you'll be learning and trading, and then fixing your mistakes, you can say, because trading does have a lot to deal with psychology and the way you think. So we will be aiding you regarding those issues, and definitely there is a module 4 for the support that you need. Okay, the support that you need, when to improvise, when to stick to your goals or stick to your rules. Okay, and the most important element of this entire page that I want to focus here is the challenge phase. Okay, this is a very important thing that we do in Trade Like Gann, is focusing on trading. Okay, we do not do stuffs like we teach and you decide how you want to execute. So I want you to learn and execute at the same time. And then the challenge phase, this speaks a lot about our quality of this market. I can definitely say that we are the only platform in this entire world who is giving out the same exact methodologies of WD Gantt and more. What is this more? This more is teaching you how to trade, and also help you to recover the payment that you did to us, the payment that you made for this course. Okay, so this is a milestone, and you will not be officially graduate from this course unless and until you actually recover the fees of this course. Definitely we have some prerequisites regarding this course. So if you are totally new to this Trade Like Gann platform or us, you can definitely take this course. This course is definitely self-sufficient, so you do not need to do any previous courses that we offered, but the previous courses actually does help, because you see, in this we are teaching the cycle theory uh, 2.0, or you can say the cycle theory that needs to be learned to use the law of vibration. But in this course, what we do not talk about is the cycle theory for the planetary course or the lunar course, the COR cycles. Okay, for those you need previous courses. So if you have done those courses with us, that will help understanding this course. If you understand the cycle theory, then this cycle theory 2.0 is going to be very, very easy and straightforward for you. Okay, so in summary, you do not have to do any courses, not from us, not from anyone else, to become an independent trader. But if you have done our previous courses, that can help. Now the question is how to start. You can, and also this is a very important thing, the law of vibration course starts from October 7th, and the cost of the program is $15,000, and that's a one-time fee. Okay, so you can start this course by clicking this enroll button. It will take you to our contact page where you can find our email address. Okay, so you can just email us and they will tell you what to do. And again, if you have any more questions, so you see, this is a very short video, an introductory video. I tried to cover the most important aspects of this course, so you might have questions. So when you have questions, you go to this email address, you write down your questions, and you just email us. The Trade Like Gann team will definitely answer to every single email and will try to tell you if you are doing something right or wrong. Okay. And again, if there is anything that you need to know, contact us regarding this course and other courses. Okay. Before ending the video, I want to talk about one more thing. It's about real-time support and feedback. Okay, so what is this? This is a segment where you trade with live or demo fund. So we will have a look time to time on your trading executions, real or demo, to show you or find out anything wrong that you are doing. Okay, there is a thing that we used in Trade Like Gann called Demon Finder. Okay, so what this is, it's not something new. Okay, it has been used by a lot of traders. It's more like what psychology or what habit of your is making you lose the trade. Okay, so we will try to look for these issues in your trading history or the trades that you took, so that you can improve while you are trading with your fund. Again, let me wrap up this video by, you can read everything in this page. You'll find it in the services section and in our website directly, and this will cover, and it has all the details that you need to know. Even if we let's say miss something, you can contact us through this Trade Like Gann LOV